It's like the more I drive this thing, the better she behaves. And she's behaving pretty well right now. I shouldn't have said that. Damn it. Everybody knows anytime you compliment a vehicle is when it fucks up. I love how many people have looked at my pissy cold start video. And it's fucking hilarious to me how many people like to see trucks that don't start. It's like, wait, what? Fucking 100 views in one day, and it's like, shit. But I can't really talk shit. I like seeing cold starts too. It's kind of cool to watch. It's always better to watch them actually start on a cold start, though. That's where mine doesn't. That's where mine's a little different. Mine doesn't do the whole starting on the cold start, but hey, whatever. I'm getting her cleaned up little by little. I'm getting her fixed up. One thing you'll learn about me pretty quick, the closer you drive, the slower I drive. So this fucker behind me is gonna learn that if you're trying to push me down the highway, it's a 55 zone right now. I'm just gonna keep doing 55 until he fucking passes and I'll get back up to speed. Are you fucking serious? Really? You are passing in a fucking construction zone. Hey. This shit ain't worth a ticket. But yeah, fucking retard just fucking GoPro caught that one. The fucking retard just passed me in a fucking construction zone. That's illegal as fuck. As she like Snapchatting all of her friends, hey guys, I'm passing this redneck in a construction zone. With like a little smiley face emoji or some shit. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna put that on my idiot compilation and in this next video. Usually the vehicles that are in the idiot compilation are also in my most recent video. So you guys don't miss out. I've got an idiot compilation that'll be coming out before too long. I kinda hope this bitch goes in a ditch. Not get hurt, but just like total the car, and then I have to pull it out of the ditch. Cause I'll rip her fucking I'll rip her fucking rear bumper off by accident. Air quotes, by the way, if you couldn't tell by the way I said that. But yeah, we are one day closer to making this truck officially mine. I always catch myself resting my hand on the gear shifter. I've heard that's bad. I don't know. What is your guys' take on that? Like, I mean, I've never owned a manual for too long at a time. I go through vehicles quicker than most people go through fucking like shoes, but I plan on keeping this one a minute. I like this one. Alright, so I'm getting a little on the gutsy side. I want to take it off-roading a little bit. I've got like fucking bald tires though. So either I'm on the gutsy side or I'm on the dumbass side. Either one's a good option at this point. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. Either I'm on the gutsy side or I'm on the dumbass side. And like I said, either one's a good option. Probably a little bit more on the dumbass side, but hey, whatever. I'll definitely come down here after it rains a little bit, and I have my 4x fixed. That I will have my 4x fixed for. have it fixed before the first our spring rains show up. And if not, well, I'll have to wait a little bit. Because that shit gets wet as fuck when spring hits. My old Ford was like that too. The fucking check engine light would be on. Well, yeah, it was the ABS light, the check engine light, and the God, what was the other light that was always on? There's ABS, check engine, and something else. I don't know. It's just something with these damn trucks. I didn't even notice that until I hit it. God damn it, that slipped my lip open. Ow. Fuck. I was scratching my lip. I hit that fucking bump. God damn, that hurt.